This is a brand new web page that I've created for my DIY website. Let's add a button. So from here, as you can see, I have a title, but I want to add a button below that says learn more. And from here, add new section. I can click on button link. The button is being added, but then I have to use that pencil button to edit the text. So I'll call it learn more instead of read more, and then I can specify a link. CPS google.com. That can be any link, can be link from your website, it could be external link like Google. And then I can change the positioning. That could be on the left, center, or right. And in case I want to add another button next to it, I can use that green button to say add another one.